G'day folks, and welcome to the show. On today's episode, just an old-fashioned moto vlog. So grab a bevy, kick back and enjoy the show. Let's go. Summer's on its way. I know you wouldn't think so by the look of the sky. We've had some rain yesterday and overnight, but we're going to make the most of it. I haven't got too much to say today, so I'm just going to run the Birraloo Road, try and get you some views, and a bit of music on it. So please settle in and enjoy the ride. That's got to be a good sign if you're a bike rider. Bring back the nod. Called into Brady's Lookout. Matthew Brady was a bush ranger in the Tamar Valley region, northern Tassie. He kept the local law a bit tied up there for a while, but they did end up catching him. And they hung him. And I'll put the sign up that's up there at the lookout. If you want to pause that, have a read of it. Quite the character. Anyhow. Thank you all for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll put the map of the circuit that I've done today just here. As always, thank you for joining me. If you like that content, please give us a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It really does help the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. Hit the bell icon for future notifications of activity on the channel. And I will see you all next time. Let's go.